Today, we have reached a milestone of 9 million valued customers. Because at IFB, everything we do is driven by you, our customers.
IFB machines have been our backbone, they have been our vertebrae.
My parents have actually been using a washing machine from IFB for the last 22 years.
The company is good, projects are good, the people are good. Why not go in for IFB?
Together with your trust and support, we've achieved 9 million strong customers. The best is yet to come, and we are excited to continue this journey with you. Thank you for being part of our story.